of votes and proclamation of winning candidate for member of the House of Representatives, 2nd District. We, the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers of Cotabato, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in the 2nd District of North Cotabato for the candidate therein for the office of the member of the House of Representatives in the national and local elections held on May 10, 2010. And that Katamgo Nancy A. obtained a total of 119,294 votes, representing the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above-mentioned candidate as the duly elected member of the House of Representatives for the 2nd District of North Cotabato.
Good morning. Of course, first, I would like to thank God for giving me this opportunity to serve the 2nd District of North Cotabato. And of course, second, my family, my mom, my father, my brother and sisters, and to all my supporters, of course, my leaders, sa ilang luha, sa ilang singot, and of course, to my sons, to my 2 sons who has 1 father. Kailangan recorded yan palagi. And to our Governor-elect, Lana, for giving me the chance, for believing in me, to our Vice Governor-elect, Vice Governor, and of course, to our incumbent Governor and Congressman-elect of the 1st District, Jesus Paclaran. Thank you for believing in me. I'm a new fight in politics, but, you know, it was indeed a very tough fight, but siguro, midaog yun ang dapat mudaog. It's my prayer that I can really keep up and deliver what is expected of me. Sa ato ang gobernador, kay murag stricta na kayo. Dahil na ang isang rules, karoon sa tuwa tanan. And of course, to the people of the 2nd District.